NCTV45 Newcastle, The Train.
Today's program was provided through funding from Coney Island downtown in downtown Newcastle, a Newcastle tradition. Always good to see you on NewsWatch, and State Representative Aaron Bernstein welcomes you to an open house. He's the representative from the 10th Legislative District. And prior to the start of the new legislative session in January, Representative Aaron Bernstein is inviting residents of the 10th Legislative District to share a state-related concerns at an open house Thursday the 20th from 5 to 7 at his district office on Line Avenue in Elwood City. My staff and I have committed to being accessible to the people we serve. We consider stopping before Christmas and talking with us about state-related issues of interest. Bernstein said, "This is also a great opportunity to learn how my office can help you. For more information and RSVP, call 724-752-2120. Now, we're going to take this break, and we'll be back with a whole bunch more right after these messages.